Welcome to the IELTS Writing Task 2 series. In this video, we'll learn different ways to include examples in the essay. This is a typical IELTS Writing Task 2 question. Observe this part. Include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. This instruction is there in every IELTS Writing Task 2 question. Examples help make your point clearer. They also improve your task response score. There are 5 simple ways to include examples in your essays. Let's look at each one with tips, phrases, and example sentences. General examples are based on common situations, not your personal life. You can use phrases like for example or for instance. Other options include this is often the case with, or one example of this is. Here are a couple of example sentences using these. When writing about disadvantages of remote work, you can mention back pain is a common health issue and the rising demand of specific furniture related to this. The second way to write examples is that you can use personal experience. Say things like, in my personal experience or a friend of mine. Here are some examples. The tone should still be formal. Instead of saying, I work from home, so I think I can manage my time better, it's better to say, working from home helps me manage time better. The third way is that you can refer to studies, research, or surveys, even if you don't remember the source. Just say something like, a recent study has shown, and keep it simple. No names or statistics, just the point. These kind of examples sound more academic. Here are some examples of what we can write if we are writing in favor of work from home. A recent study showed that flexibility is the main reason why employees prefer working from home. The fourth way is to give implicit examples. These are examples built naturally into your sentence without fixed phrases. You can start your example with, it is obvious that, or one only has to look at. This style is more fluent and formal. Let's look at some examples. It is obvious that students face academic pressure. Just look at the weight of their school bags. These sound more advanced and make your writing feel natural. Some quick tips now. One common mistake is writing too much. Your example should support your point, not take over the paragraph. Keep it to 1 or 2 sentences. Here's an example. Instead of adding too much detail, practice making your examples short and formal. So far, we have looked at examples in separate sentences. But you can also give examples naturally inside your sentence. Use phrases like such as or including to list multiple points. These are especially useful in conclusions. Here are a couple of example sentences. Working from home has benefits such as saving time and reducing stress. To recap, use examples to support your ideas, mix up different styles, keep them short and natural, and most importantly, use new examples only in body paragraphs. We can use some of these phrases in conclusion only to summarize what is already written in body paragraphs. Now it's your turn. Write one short paragraph about why remote work is becoming popular. Try to use 5 different types of examples. general, personal, research, implicit, and inline. Here are some example sentences using three of these types. With this, you now know everything you need about using examples in your essays. In the next videos, we'll discuss some sample essays, templates for different question types, and concepts like topic sentences. Bye for now. See you in the next one.